Hello everyone, I hope you can see everything that I'm doing. So for today I thought we could make a tag with a pocket and that type of thing. I did do this off camera just to try it out, see if it'd work. So I have a bunch of these pieces which are coffee dyed, but are for my kids' schoolwork and everything. I like to use them a part of my craft projects. I don't necessarily know if they're perfect for doing this, but that's okay. I thought it'd be fun either way. So we're gonna glue it on like this. So it's kind of like a, whatchamacallit, coin envelope. That's what I think of it like. Now I gotta remember exactly how I did this. Isn't that fun? I think I did it like this. There we go. Alright. So it's just like making a coin envelope, but instead of us creating that top piece, we're leaving it plain. I know Gayle Agostinelli made these a couple weeks ago. I made these before. This ain't the first time making them or anything. It's been a while, but not my first time. So I'm just gonna glue all the way around and push it down. Same thing here. Just glue it all the way around the world, and here we go. So yesterday I was interrupted because of the factor of my landlord had stopped by to tell us about the air conditioners being relieved or taken out or something like that earlier this week. And then I've been busy with trying to work on getting my apartment cleared up the last couple days. So my next couple videos may have kids interrupting or screaming or something else in the background. Sorry, can't control it all the time. Try to, but it ain't something you can necessarily control all the time. I have 2 kids. They're gonna sometimes have their days. And right now they've been they're both at school at the moment, so figured now's the time to make a video or 2 or 3 or as many as I can to offset that. So there we go. And then I'm gonna add just a little something here. My stapler is at the other table, so I'm just not even gonna add that yet. Hopefully I'll remember it by my next video. Again, I'm just gluing this. Down, and we're gonna now this could become a floating pocket or not. All depends on what you want it to look like. And yeah, you could easily use glue stick for this. I'm just choosing not to. Just easier process here. There we go. And we can easily punch a small hole into it, and voila, we got ourselves a nice cute little pocket with a tag. So I mean, it doesn't take much and you get a lot out of it. So let's go on to the next one. Again, this is a great way to use up papers that you may not know what to do with. That's regular copy paper size. My one daughter is actually having her first field trip today. So excited for her. My other daughter will be having her first field trip in a couple weeks. This does not want to go across the way I want it to. And I'm getting caught up on my Grey's Anatomy, which I haven't done that in a long time either. So, here we go. So again, it's very easy to make this as long as you take your time making sure you glue everything down as you're making it. And I overcut in that one spot. It isn't going to matter when it comes to time using it. It really isn't going to matter. So I'm not going to fuss about something as simple as this. Going to line this up with the top and the bottom. And then I'm just going to glue it on. Yeah, I'm getting pretty far with this cooking journal I've been working on, and the like mushrooms and stuff like that with this frog journal. Seems to be coming along rather quickly, actually. Sit inside, and then I can just rip a teeny bit of this off and be done with it. And then this side can get folded over, and voila. Doesn't have to be perfect. I'm not trying to make mine perfect. I'm just trying to make it to the best of my ability. And then I'm going to grab this again, one up top. I like that side for writing, or do I like this side for writing? That side can be writing. Then these two pieces are going in my pile for trying to decorate with like distress ink and stuff like that. Now we got to cut our ends here. And on this side. And voila, we got these two done. Now I think I want to decorate these two just because there's a little bit on the plainer side. That, and let's look at this one here. We want that, or maybe there's a smaller one here that, ooh, I like this one. This one's what we're gonna use. I know normally I'm glue stick happy, but today I'm just not. Not me today. So there we go, we got that part done. Now this one, I kind of want it almost in the middle, but not. Or do I want it there and to stick that label up here? Ooh, I like that. Alright, that's what I'm gonna do. It's funny, I got these labels as a thank you from someone on Etsy a long time ago, and I still have a bunch of them that I've never used. So, trying to use them. At least I'm making an effort. It's a step. So there we go. We got our cute little tag and pocket. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and have a great day or night. Bye.